Unraveling the meaning of milliard in English. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might have puzzled you in books or conversations: milliard. This expression has a rich history and a very literal meaning that we encounter less frequently in the modern world. But fear not, by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in context. So, let's dive in and unravel the mystery of milliard. First off, let's break it down. The word mill refers to a building equipped with machinery for grinding grain into flour. It can also refer to any factory fitted with machinery, typically where textiles were made in the past. The word yard is a unit of length in the imperial system, but in this context, it refers to a clear area, often enclosed space that's adjacent to a building or a group of buildings. So, put together, milliard refers to the area surrounding or adjacent to a mill. In historical terms, this was where materials might be stored, where workers gathered, or where some of the industrial processes might take place outside the mill itself. It was a hub of activity in the days when mills were at the heart of production. Moving on from the literal meaning, milliard can sometimes be used metaphorically. In literature or conversation, someone might refer to a milliard to evoke images of industrial life, to symbolize hard labor, or to reflect on a bygone era. It can be a powerful image that conjures up the noise, activity, and community of workers' life. For example, a writer might say, "He had a milliard attitude," suggesting someone has a no-nonsense, hard-working demeanor that one might attribute to someone who worked in the industrious environment of a milliard. In the present day, the phrase milliard might not be as commonly used, but it can still be relevant, especially in places where old mills have been converted to modern uses. For example, in some towns, what were once millyards have become shopping areas or residential complexes. While the mills no longer operate, the term milliard lives on, connecting the area's past with its present. And there you have it. Whether you're reading historical texts, exploring older parts of cities, or delving into literature that harks back to the industrial era, understanding the phrase milliard adds depth to your comprehension of the English language. We hope this video has been enlightening and that you can now use this term with confidence in your conversations and writing. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice what you've learned today. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.